You know how these days everyone's talking about the so-called information superhighway? Well, I tried to get on one of those online services the other day, and let me tell you something. They ought to call it the information dirt road with lots of traffic lights, potholes, and detours. Seriously, there were so many people online, I couldn't even connect. Well, fortunately, there is an alternate route. GEnie. GEnie is everything you're looking for, like computing support, databases, and live chat lines, plus award-winning games, over 200,000 downloadable files, and the coolest special interest areas around. But the best part is, you can actually get on GEnie. Just call 1-800-638-9636. They'll even start you off with almost $40 worth of free services. So call 1-800-638-9636 and get online, not in line.